Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to connect to a network and says you are currently not connected to any networks. So this error is often triggered due to temporary glitches, bad network adapter driver, and issues with your Wi-Fi router or modem. Even a loose internet connections can trigger this error. So make sure your internet cable is firmly connected. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable airplane mode. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay select mo lang dito yung airplane mode. So dapat ay naka-turn off ito. Okay, so turn off mo lang yan. Alright, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the Windows network and internet troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooter. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung network and internet. At dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang itap tong run. So i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So nandito lahat yung complete information details, step-by-step procedures kung ano yung dapat natin gawin at kailangan natin itong i-follow para ma-fix yung error mga kaibigan. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update your network adapter driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabay mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.mac, that is all one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand, and then kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating connections driver. So select mo lang dito yung Intel, and then right click. And next step ay itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? And hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error is still persists, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to perform the Windows network reset. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung network reset. Ayan. So type mo lang yan and makikita mo kaagad dito, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect na tayo dito sa advanced network settings, network reset. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN, client software, or virtual switches. So dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung network reset, at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung reset now. And then network reset, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. Then after dito, and dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix. You are currently not connected to any networks in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.